Hi everyone, I'm going to show you a glitch on Fairy. It's going to be fascinating and it's going to be wild easy. All you need is a fantasy. I'm about to show you the video right now. Like a couple seconds. Alright, and here we go. Video's right there. You need enough money to open up a door. And here, I'm gonna go back. Right there. Back it up. First, you need enough money. At least enough money, right? And then go get. Bang. Open up that door. These are where the trampoline parts are. That is not where the trampoline part is. It's just a key. Alright, here's the second part. Right there. The third part is up here. Alright. Here. And there you go. You got a trampoline. Now you need to go through this barn where you build a trampoline. Go down it and be careful. Be careful right here, because you need to make a big leap over. And sometimes when I did it, I fell and busted my butt and died. Alright, put it by this rail right there. Put that trampoline by the rail right there. Aim at it and let the trampoline fling you. There, will let you know that you're in the glitch a little bit. And there, you're in the glitch. I wasn't here at the time to know that anyone threw a time bomb right now. I was eating some food right now, and here we go. This is a good glitch to be in to get some good stuff out of it. No one can see you through the wall. And there, you're in the glitch. See white stuff come out, then that means you're in the glitch. Yeah, so which means yeah, this is the glitch here where no one can see you except your gun and all. And I'm gonna show you. And I'm going to show you in the video how to get dead shots. Alright everyone, this is Anthony here, and I'm going to show you, and I'm going to give you a quick look at how to get dead shot.